When it comes to managing projects, the methodology you choose can make a world of difference in how smoothly things run and ultimately how successful your project turns out. Let's walk through some of the most popular project management methodologies and get a sense of how they work in practice. First up is Waterfall, which is kind of the classic approach. Imagine ticking off boxes one by one. You start with gathering requirements, move on to design, then implementation, testing, deployment, and finally maintenance. Each step is completed before the next begins, so it's great for projects where everything's mapped out from the start and changes are unlikely. Agile, on the other hand, flips that script. It's all about staying flexible, working closely with customers, and adapting as you go. Teams break the work into small iterations. Think of them as mini projects, so if something shifts or feedback comes in, you can pivot quickly. Scrum and Kanban are two frameworks that fall under Agile's umbrella. Scrum is super popular in software development. Teams organize their work into sprints, usually lasting a couple of weeks. There are daily check-ins, those stand-up meetings, and after each sprint, everyone reviews what went well and what could be better. It's a cycle of constant improvement. Kanban takes a visual approach. Tasks are laid out on boards, making it easy for everyone to see what's being worked on and spot any holdups. There's no set timeline like in Scrum. Instead, the focus is on keeping work flowing smoothly and avoiding overload. Lean borrows ideas from manufacturing, emphasizing efficiency and cutting out anything that doesn't add value. The goal is to deliver precisely what the customer wants, without any waste. Teams using Lean are always looking for ways to improve and streamline their processes. Prince 2, developed in the UK, is all about structure and documentation. Roles are clearly defined, projects are broken into stages, and there's a strong emphasis on keeping records. It's especially common in government projects and big organizations where accountability is key. The Critical Path Method, CPM, helps you figure out which tasks are essential for keeping the project on schedule. By mapping out dependencies, managers can see the sequence that determines the shortest possible timeline and make sure resources are allocated where they're needed most. 6 Sigma zeroes in on quality. It uses data and statistical analysis to reduce defects and improve processes. This methodology is often paired with others when high reliability and precision are required. So, how do you pick the right one? It really depends on your project size, complexity, industry, how involved stakeholders are, and how much change you expect along the way. Many organizations actually mix and match elements from different methodologies to create a hybrid approach that fits their specific needs. Ultimately, it's about finding the framework that helps your team work smarter, not harder.